My name is Stephen Gottlieb and I made up the PRAXIS video. At this point I would just love for you to sit back and view a sample demonstration. That way you get to see a little bit of my teaching style. How about we get right into it? I'm going to work on a geometry problem. Suppose you're given this circle and here's the center. You have this diameter and you have this chord that meets the diameter at a right angle. That is, the two lines are perpendicular. And you were given that this distance is 4 and this distance here is 8. And you are being asked to find x. Well, the first thing I would do is try to think what x really is. X, in my opinion, is the sum of two parts. It's this part, which is r. From the center to a point on the circle, that's r. Plus this piece here. Well, this whole piece is r. From the center to down here is r. If I just take away 4, I get just what I want. So that piece is r minus 4. So x is twice r minus 4. So the whole job now is to find r. That's the whole job. Because once I find r, I double it, I take away the number 4, and I'm done. So the whole job now is just to find r. Well, I'm going to draw this line. And since this line goes from the center to a point on the circle, I know it's r. Now that right triangle is going to be very, very helpful because it only has r in it. And Pythagoras can come up with one equation using just r. And we can solve that one equation for r. Pythagoras would tell us that r squared is equal to 8 squared plus r minus 4 squared. That is, r squared is 64 plus r squared plus 4 squared minus r times 4, which is 4r, times 2, which is 8r. The first thing I would do is subtract r squared from both sides, leaving 0 on the left side. 64 plus 16 is 80, minus 8r. Well, the difference between these two is 0. That means 80 equals 8r. That must be 80 after all. 80 minus 80 gives you 0. So 8r, 8 times r, is 80. Well, 8 times 10 is 80. So r is 10. Okay, like I said, once we know r, we can easily find x. Double r, get 20, take away 4. 20 take away 4 is 16. So it turns out that x, this distance, is the number 16. This completes the sample demonstration for the PRAXIS video. I wish you great success on your upcoming PRAXIS exam, and I thank you for viewing my video.